Presenting the Coefficient of Friction Tester by Texcare Instruments Limited, a precision testing solution developed to accurately measure the static and kinetic coefficient of friction of materials under controlled conditions. In industries where smooth movement, controlled sliding, and surface interaction are critical, understanding friction behavior is essential. This advanced tester evaluates how two surfaces behave when they come into contact, helping manufacturers ensure better handling, stacking, packaging efficiency, and machine runnability. Designed for applications across plastic films, laminates, paper, packaging materials, rubber sheets, coated fabrics, and automotive components, this tester plays a vital role in quality control, R&D, and product optimization. Coefficient of Friction Tester Applicable Standards. Contact Texcare Instruments today to learn more about this essential testing solution and find the right configuration for your industry needs.